So, hey guys, what's up? It's Stephanie Yap, and it's the new year, and you know what that means. If you thought reinventing yourself externally because changing your own habits internally only lasts a couple of weeks into the new year, then that is exactly what I meant. So new year, new me, new hair. I love being blonde. It's something I thought would never suit me, but now I feel like it's just become me that I don't ever want to let go of it. But I also want to try something new. So I've been wanting to color my hair pink for a while now, and I finally had the time because with the new year comes holidays, and yeah, Sakura Haruno from Naruto was my legit #goals back when I was a kid, so I wanted to be her, and now I'm gonna have her hair, hopefully have her hair, because I'm not really sure how the pink will turn out, if it will like turn out too bright or too not pink. Like, I'm kind of scared because tomorrow I get back to work and I don't know, there's no allowance to change it up in case it all goes wrong. Like, whatever's gonna happen to my hair now, people are gonna see it tomorrow. So, you know, hashtag, what's the hashtag? YOLO. Do people still say YOLO? Oh, by the way, my cousin's like out of the frame. She's gonna be my hairstylist because Achi Jelyn has always wanted to style or color someone's hair, and I was the only willing victim. And while she's coloring my hair, because it's gonna be like a really long process, as everyone in the world knows, I'll also be coloring something, which is this bag. It has like bakbak, so I'm gonna try to paint it up because, you know, spirit of new year, it's not just about new stuff, it's also about renewal and thing. Yeah, but let's see if I'll be able to do something with this, and let's begin.
Whoop.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye guys, you won't be seeing my face for quite a while. So, hey guys, update, we're done with the bleach. And now it's all bundled up. We're gonna let it sit for an hour, and we'll catch you later. So, hey guys, what's up? I'm painting, and you guys get a bird's eye view of it. You know, kind of like an angel watching over me while I paint, and hopefully not ruin this. So, yeah. We just washed all the bleach off. We washed it with shampoo and conditioner, and now for the unveiling of how whiter my hair is. I still haven't seen it. I mean, Achi Jelyn has seen it because she was washing my hair, but I still haven't seen it. So let's see it together. Wash. This is not as graceful as I thought it would be, but
you're supposed to get from this.
Okay, I'm ready to look. It's whiter, pero is it really that white? Has it gone lighter? Let's put a side-by-side video comparison. I will know when I edit this. So here's the hair bleached, and now for the fun part, we're gonna put pink dye. This scares me so much because it's so bright. But the seller said that this is powder pink, like not fuchsia pink, but it looks so fuchsia. And she said that if I dye my hair lighter, it will be powder. But then I'm scared because it looks like this. But then imagine going to the office with this hair color. Oh my god. But yeah, I guess I just have to trust the seller because she knows her stuff. And if it doesn't turn out the pink I want, which is actually that pink, then I'm never gonna buy from her again or something. Okay, kain na. I'm so shy. But first we'll eat. So, hey guys, we just got back from dinner and look at what happened to the hair dye. Am I getting more hopeful? Yes, I am. And also, I'd like to share what I've done with the bag painting. It's not finished yet, and it may get better, may get worse. I don't know. I guess we'll know, you know, at the end of the video. So, enough of that. Let's get back to dyeing my hair. But then again, we're all dying because, you know, we're all just mere mortals. But enough of that existential crisis drama. Let's do it. So now I'm getting back to my painting, and Achi is also getting back to her painting my hair. Oink. I have to stop saying that. I'm now gonna use this to paint my bag. Joke lang. Progress. I kind of like it. Hey, Achi Jelyn. Hey. Hey, hey. We're in a slight pickle. We ran out of pink before it could come to the top. But Achi Jelyn's like making paraan, making a way to make sure it doesn't look like we ran out of pink dye. Oh, and also I've gotten to the back of my bag. Here's the front, I guess. So that's the update we have, guys, and I guess we'll see you in another hour when we have to wash off the pink dye, and crossing my fingers. Bye. So, hey guys, I just finished the bag, I think, and now we're waiting for dye time, which we still have about 30 minutes. Yeah, personally I didn't think I'd be able to finish the bag, but like, surprise. I guess. It's time for the revelation. And again, only Achi Jelyn has seen it. I'm gonna be surprised. So this is gonna be my reaction. Sorry, Achi Jelyn. Would you do the honor, since last time I did it, it was really like weird. Okay. Actually, this is the look, this turban thing. Okay. Oh my god, I can see it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I like it a lot.
Saan lang hindi umabot?
Si Achi Jelyn, woman of... Anong paraan sa English? I don't know. She makes it happen, you know? Maparaan siya sa Tagalog.
guys comment down below na lang. Don't worry, Achi Jelyn doesn't watch my video, so you can be honest in the comments. She won't be hurt. But I don't know, for me it's a really nice gradient. And this is the pink I want, and I'm just so sad that it didn't fit like, you know, the original. But now at least we know which shade to buy. Now at least I know where to buy the pink I want. And next time I'm gonna buy siguro 2 times of what the seller recommended me. But it's not like completely her fault, I guess, because why?
Tita Ito.
I don't think it's completely the seller's fault because it was also our first time. By our, I mean her first time doing it, so maybe she was too happy with
miscalculation.
With starting from the bottom. So is the lesson here, do not start from the bottom? No, I think you should still start from the bottom. Yeah. Starting from the bottom, now we're here. And someday maybe we'll be here next time. But at least we know that this is a good pink. I like it. God, imagine mo kung pink. Di ba? Di na mabagay yun.
Ang cute na eh.
And also, like, update on my bag. It's done. So this is the front. And this is the back. And also comment down below if you guys think my bag is cute. If you don't, it's okay. I won't be hurt. I mean, not. I mean, just slightly. But still, I felt very productive. Finish this. And we made the best of what we had. So, kiss us. I think that's it for the vlog. And see you guys in the next vlog, I guess. And hope you learned something.
Which is something. Something.
Like something. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It's Steph Yap, and it is the New York.
It's New York.
Okay, I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
I thought you Stephanie.
So annoying.